Okay, folks, here you go. This is the Roni Glock 22 carbine kit, 40 cal. This is the Springfield Armory 5.56 Saint. It's got the hollow scope. This has got a red dot. And this right here, I was aiming the sight in, and that's at 100 yards. So after the sight is aimed in, this is what we get at 100 yards with the Roni 40 cal carbine kit. There's a nice little grouping there, there, and there. This is the Saint. I used a different target. In the center here, this is sighting it in. I pulled it right at 100 yards, still good grouping. And this is what we get at 100 yards with the hollow sight. There, there, and that's it. So there you are. The Roni came in 2 days ago, and the Saint came in this morning. So there you have it. 100 yards, both weapons, hollow sight and a red dot. Y'all come back now here.